Good day people, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial I'll be making a free trouser. This is a free trouser for women. So to begin the process now, I'll remove the full length of the trouser. So the full length is 39. I'll remove 2 inches from the top and remove 1 inches from the down to get my proper length, which is 37. So this is the length measurement now. I'm removing 1 inches from the down for the folding. So after that, I'll be taking the flap line, which is 12, plus the extra 2 inches folding, that is 14. Now after that, I'll be taking the knee line. The knee line is 19. So this is the knee line. These two lines are important to make a trouser, the flap line and the knee line. So now I'll be taking my flap now, which is 2 inches. 2 inches to the flap line. After marking out the line, then curve. So the lap size now is 24 divided by 2, which is 12. So I'm marking out 12. The knee size and the lap size are the same measurements, 12. Then the down of my trouser, I'll be taking 11, which is 22. I left extra sewing allowance. For the waist size, I'll be taking 11 because I'll be using elastic. So I'm cutting it out now. So I'll be cutting the back now, the back of the trouser. You place the front on top like this to cut it. So this is how to cut the back through the front. To begin the sewing now, the first thing to sew after cutting is the flap. Turn it to the back and sew with your machine. Sew the two flaps. This is the sewing of the flap. After that, open the flaps like this. Place them on top of each other and sew again. So place them on top like this. Then sew. So I'm done sewing the flaps now. This is how it looks. The next thing to be sewing now is the sides of the trouser. Place them equally together and sew. After that, you fold the down of the trouser. Then fold the waist of the trouser. So I'm done sewing the two sides, the two down. Then I folded the waist. This is how to attach the elastic to the waist of the trouser. So I'll continue this process till the elastic comes out from that same hole. Then I'll sew it together. So this is it now. I'm done sewing it. After sewing, close the hole, and that is it. I've closed the hole, and that is all you have to do to make this trouser. I hope this video was helpful. Please, if it was, support me by subscribing to my channel. Please like the video, feel free to share and comment. Thanks for watching to this point. I'll see you in my next video.